I watch TV every evening. I watch TV every evening. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. We play football after school. We play football after school. He reads books every day. He reads books every day. They live in a big house. They live in a big house. My father drives a car. My father drives a car. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. The baby is sleeping peacefully. The baby is sleeping peacefully. I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning. She loves her little cat. She loves her little cat. We go to school together. We go to school together. He plays basketball very well. He plays basketball very well. They are walking in the park. They are walking in the park. My brother likes video games. My brother likes video games. The girl is drawing pictures. The girl is drawing pictures. I listen to music daily. I listen to music daily. The dog runs very fast. The dog runs very fast. She studies English every night. She studies English every night. We enjoy family dinners together. We enjoy family dinners together. He rides his bike carefully. He rides his bike carefully. The children are playing happily. The children are playing happily. My sister helps me often. My sister helps me often. I clean my room regularly. I clean my room regularly. They visit grandparents every weekend. They visit grandparents every weekend. The teacher explains lessons clearly. The teacher explains lessons clearly. We watch movies on weekends. We watch movies on weekends. He is learning computer skills. He is learning computer skills. The bird is singing beautifully. The bird is singing beautifully. I eat breakfast before school. I eat breakfast before school. She smiles at everyone kindly. She smiles at everyone kindly.